We all need each other right now. We do. We all need to band together against this injustice that's taking place. We do. My name is Miss Diversity. Do not kill me. Okay?
Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up with D3 Tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How is everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Yeah. Today I am bringing you a drenched, extra spicy blue crab and head-on shrimp mukbang, y'all. Yes, I got Mr. Blue in the house. What it do, Mr. Blue? Joining me for this mukbang is my 3D blue. Can I say his name right? He probably cutting his eyes at me. Joining me today is my 3D blue crab boo. Say hey, Mr. Blue. Hey to everybody, hey to the people. I know we ain't been back in a while. We've been slipping, but we're about to rectify that right now. Let me put this crab down, check. There we go. Can you see me now? There. So today on the menu, we got some blue crab and we've got some head-on shrimp that is drenched and ready to go. Y'all, this is from my crab stash, y'all. This is from a crab stash. Now, y'all wonder what happened to those extra crabs I told y'all I don't waste? They go in a crab stash. Nene couldn't get me any blue crabs, so I said, it's okay. I'll do my crab stash. There's shrimp from my crab stash, too. To drink, y'all, we have some. Y'all, your girl forgot hot water because I carry this thing around with me everywhere. Anyway, to drink, we have some H2O as always. Stay hydrated. And also, we got some St. Sebastian Vinner's Red. We've already popped his cherry. We're going to be using my Special K glass, courtesy of my Special K, aka K from Cali. Set you right there. Salute, all the sippers in the house. All right, y'all. Also, I have some lemon juice over here, and I have some hot sauce because this is already drenched, just in case I want a little extra. All right, y'all. Without further ado, let's give thanks and get to grabbing. All right, y'all. Let's get right into this. I got a head, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I took this head off, and I was going through it before. Before this mukbang started, I needed a little taste. I was craving it. So I'm not gonna even lie to you. This is the same hot sauce that I use in my lava sauce. It's just in a glass bottle. Sometimes it comes in a glass bottle depending on where you get it from. So basically it's like I'm soaking it in lava sauce. Oh child, We don't waste any hot sauce. Nope. No, sorry. All right, y'all. I'm seasoning. It's so good. Oh my God. So good. Your girl most definitely need this. I told you she'd be going through it. You know he's spicy and good. Something on my face. Probably. Y'all, if I don't like savage eating, y'all might not want to watch this mukbang because it's gonna get kind of savage. I might need to drop this thing down so I can access this properly so I can smash accordingly. Because I'm ready to get down to get down. I'm hungry too. Haven't had much appetite because everything that's been going on between starting up the line and all the killing. Hope they don't flag me for that. I haven't had much of an appetite. I'm a stress starver. All right, y'all. Lemon juice. Why you making all that noise, lemon juice? So I'm making all that noise, y'all. Ooh, y'all. Crab lollipop. So how's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What are you sipping on? And how was your day today? I thought it was well despite everything that's going on. Good grief. If it's not one thing, it's another, I swear. I swear. Just can't catch a break. We can. Y'all, these so good. Oh yeah, that's good. Ooh. Comfortable. Gotta put my knees up. Thank everyone for joining that live. I appreciate it. Help warm your girl's spirit. Hope that I warmed yours as well. We all need each other right now. We do. Greatly. We all need to band together against this injustice that's taking place. We do. Now I'm gonna speak on it because it's not right. It's not right at all. My name is Miss Diversity. Do not kill me, okay? I'm just saying. Boy, let's go some more of these crabs. This a male. Baby, come to me. Ooh, all them innards. I dropped some on my dress. It was retrieved, y'all. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Gonna get each. Oh my God. Child, things will get brighter. Someday, won't raise a beautiful sun. Someday, when the world is much brighter. Someday. I don't know. Woo, child. Keisha, slow down. Slow down. He ain't going nowhere. Slow it down. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Ooh. Oh God. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on back. There we go. I gotta put my hands up for this. Stop and smash. Proper like. And these crabs were from Angie's. Although they were in my crab stash. I know how to freeze them. Where you can warm them up like them being all dry. Every now and then I make a mistake and warm them up a little bit too much. When you freeze them, you pretty much steam them back to the scrumptious-ness. So you're not wasting your crabs, your money, or food on this dear animal's life. Just throw them all away. I can't do that. Excuse burp. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Like my girl Shay Snacks say, I miss her. Y'all, I can't wait. To get back down south. I miss my grandma. With all my peeps down there. And I just miss down there, period. With everything going on, I don't see that happening anytime soon. And it's sad. It truly is. But to lighten the mood, y'all. So, remember on the live? If you didn't watch the live, you better watch the live. I told y'all, I think I'm going to come up with just an insect repellent for those of you that live in the country, deep in the country, or who just like to go in the brush like me. And y'all, I think I got it. See, measurement is key. Anybody can throw some oils together. Give to know measurement is key. I think I come up with the perfect measurement for it. I think so. Still in the testing stages. Because no matter use my disinfectant mix, but you know, you have the mosquitoes that they don't care. They don't care if you got on leggings, shorts, and a pair of jeans. They gonna eat you regardless. You can have on leggings, shorts, a pair of jeans, and the VIBEZ disinfectant mist. And they gonna still try to eat you regardless. So I need to come up with something stronger, but deep free. And I think I got the perfect combination, y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my VIBEZ lines. The link is in the description box below. It's the Instagram, or either order through Instagram or you can order through Etsy. Both are available. Instagram is cheaper. Cheaper out. Because Etsy charges a lot of fees. If you want to order it through Instagram, all you gotta do is just DM me. And I'll guide you from there. I answer in a timely manner. I don't keep you hanging. I don't do that. But Etsy is more secure. So I understand if people opt to order from Etsy or order through Etsy. It's just that they're just so expensive. Much more expensive. Yeah, no, I'm all about saving people money. That's just the way I am. Because I like saving money. I like you to save money too. So, oh, look at that. I have, yeah, I got some on my cheek. If I could lick my cheek, I would, but I can't. Just check it out. So far, we have the 3-in-1 disinfectant mist, regular and extra strength. The scents are either a regular scent, which is like oregano-ish mintish scent. And then the citrus is citrus. Citrus also have like a did I say citrus? No, it's oregano-ish minty scent. Is that what I said the first time? Anyway, yeah. And citrus is like a citrusy mint scent. The citrus is seen to be the most popular seller. Everyone don't like the smell of oregano. Me at my house, I mix them all together. I think I might offer a mix here soon. Because I like both of them mixed together. So I can get all the properties. But this insect repellent that I'm making, it's not going to be a it's not going to be a immune booster. Although some of the stuff in there it does boost your immune system, but it's primarily for repelling insects. Almost comparable to what is it called? Cutters, deep woods. You know what I'm talking about? Or like that off deep woods. That's what we're comparable to. Except it's natural and there's no DEET. DEET is not good for you. I don't know if you realize that, but it's not. Neither is malaria or what is it called? What's that virus called? When the baby's coming out, I can't. Is it Zika virus? Zika virus? Neither is that. So you kind of pick your demons when it comes to that. But I'm trying to offer you an option where you don't have to sacrifice your health in order to preserve your health. Do you understand what I'm saying, y'all? I'm very passionate about this. About y'all getting the chemicals out your house. Also, I have the bath soaps on there. Bath shakes. It's just an all-natural bath soap. 3-in-1. I know me and all them 3-in-1s. I like to make products that have multiple benefits. This softens your skin. It's a detox. And it's also a pain reliever. I want y'all to take the dirty water challenge. When y'all do order, take the dirty water challenge. Look at your water before you start. And then after your soap, and you babe, I want you to see how dirty your water is. I want you to see. You'll be shocked how much you pull out. My son, my goodness, you want that little, I don't know how you get so dirty. This little self. Leaving triple rings. And if y'all want me to, I have an all-natural cleaner too that I use around the house. I made it from the layup because I don't want her messing with chemicals. And she does, like, she tries to do little chores around the house. Because I have to teach her, regardless of her disabilities, that she has to learn how to be independent. And so I composed a all-natural cleaner for her so she's able to clean too and not be exposed, like, you know, to chemicals. I composed it for her, but the whole house uses it. Y'all, this is gonna be one of my longer mukbangs because it's bluegrass, y'all. It's bluegrass, baby. It's so good. I needed you. I really did. Oh, I needed you. After this video, I have to do another video because I didn't do your birthday shout-outs. But this video, I can tell already, is going to be too long. So, oh, that was kind of crispy. Oh, that's kind of good. Sometimes when you warm it up, the legs at the top, they get a little crispy. I like that. Let me see. Oh, he wasn't as crispy. The still was good. So what have y'all been up to? I know a lot of you been staying in the house still. Just when they started opening stuff back up, and then they close stuff back down again. Y'all don't come in my comments with that. Them hate speeches and stuff like that. Or y'all know how y'all like to speak outside of your neck but try to be slick with it? Don't do it. Because at the end of the day, Miss Diversity, Keisha, I'm a black woman, okay? And these events, they affect me and my family deeply. All right, don't get it twisted now. I love the world, but I know that the world does not love me. Well, everyone in the world does not love me. I know that. I'm not stupid. I'm not oblivious to the fact. All right? So don't get it twisted. Don't come in my comments with that. Don't do it. I don't want you. All right. Back to these crabs. Oh. Excuse me. I know I be trying to speak at the side of your neck, think you're slick. I'm not for it. I'm not. They just don't understand. This stuff is like really weighing on me. I know it don't seem like it, but it is. I told you, contribute to me not really eating. It's messing up my sleep. It's horrible. And people want to shush it, shoot underneath the rug. And I used to lose subscribers from speaking on it, then you ain't need to be here in the first place. Sorry. Because either you stand with me or you stand against me. There's only two places, and there's no middle ground. You stand with me against this injustice, or you're against me. Only two options. Come on now. Come on with it. Okay. See this baby one? I overcooked him just a little too much. But it's okay, his meat's still good. And we gonna get it. So despite everything, has anything interesting happened in your lives since the last time we spoke? Any marriages, any new babies? And the graduation, y'all, let's shout graduations, y'all. Congrats to the class of 2020. I am so sorry that between Miss Beer and these killers, that your graduation has been overshadowed. I'm so sorry. That was good. Congratulations to you. You did it. Miss Diversity is proud of you. I'm proud of you. Drop them graduations down there too. Represent. I hope that everyone got their birthdays in on time on the other video. And I'm not gonna leave anyone out. And then they went and grabbed a cake for me. It's a big old cake. I'm about to find someone to give it to because I ain't trying to turn this into a pumpkin. I'll clog my artery anytime soon. Y'all, speaking of that, yeah, I want to participate in these challenges. I really do. I really do your girl lover challenge. But at the same time, I don't want to be in agony. Meaning laying in bed hours later because my stomach is so full. And I don't want to clog my arteries because I got to be here for my kids. Can y'all please issue a challenge that I can participate in? Please.
Please, please, please.
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 I'm at bag here. Please. Thank you. So I see these challenges, I'm like, oh, cool. I ain't doing it. I can't do it. Okay. I've tried in the past, and I be in agony. I be laying in bed, be like, Keisha, why'd you do that? Like, seriously? Girl, you making yourself sick over what? 2,000 views at the most. Because that's about at the most I get. About 2,000 views. I be sitting there feeling like a monkey on a screen. I said a screen, didn't I? A string. I be feeling like a monkey on a string, girl. Dancing for coin. I mean, I understand it's all in fun and all, but I'm competitive, y'all. I'm competitive. And my silly butt sit there and try to stuff myself to oblivion. So it's best, and I just don't do it. I need some challenges that I actually participate in. Now, Spice, bring it on. Bring it on. I know y'all thinking, ain't you in pain from that? Nah, not really. Yes, it's a different kind of pain. And it actually kind of helps out my GI system a little bit. Just saying, just saying. Give me some of them, some more of those. Something that's not as much food. That's just too much for you, girl. And I feel like I'm all left out, you know? I want to participate. I want you to think, you know, I'm all bucking the system. Although I kind of do buck the system. I'm a free spirit. I'm a lone wolf. I'm not really cliquish. I like people with, I like to take people from different cliques that I click with. I click with people for individual cliques. You know what I mean? They're the little cliques, but your girl ain't cliquish. She kind of a lone wolf. She is. Not kind of. I am. I want to be in a box. All right. Come on now. Come on with it. Come on. See, this is a multi-purpose tool right here. Come on with it. Now I can eat them. Y'all don't mind me, I'm silly. You gotta be. If not, it's just plain depressing. I live with anxiety. You gotta find outlets to make yourself happy. You can. I know you do. Because you can put yourself in a hole. Worrying and stressing about stuff. I've come a long way, y'all. A long way. I mean, like, from being on meds, long way. So when people speak about having anxiety, I can relate personally. I really can. And it's not something that just goes away. You just learn how to cope with it. Meds don't get rid of it either. It just treat it. People believe mental illness is not real, but it's real. I'm here to tell you it's real. And it's not something that's all in your head either. It's not. It's a real thing. It's just as real as any other illness out there. And it needs to be talked about. I think I'm going to do a whole video about that. Because it needs to be talked about. Let people know it's okay. It's okay to admit it. It's okay to seek help. It's okay not to be okay. I think I am going to do a video on that. I am. Y'all need to check out, if you haven't already, check out Shay Snacks, her therapy session she be having. Excuse me, Keisha Burp. Her therapy Tuesday. Although I think she released some on Mondays. Did she change to Mondays now? Let me check out. Oh, y'all, that was a big hunk of me and I didn't even give it to you. I didn't even show it to you. Child, don't mind me, I'm sorry. I'm just eating and talking like I do. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do talk a lot. I don't eat the neatest. But I hope that you'll stick around. I'm as sweet as can be. There's your cross me. But we should have those problems, right? You're my friend. You're my tribe. You see that shrimp and tender he keep coming up? You want me to eat them? Come on, just come on up here. Just come on up here. I'll eat you next. You want to say hi to the people? Say hi to the people. Say hi, people.
Oh, have mercy.
She's gonna eat me.
Eat. No, eat.
I sure am. I thank you for your sacrifice. Your life will not be in vain. Thank you for the nutrients you're providing to my body. Ooh, Letitia Commodore. Her and her kids just tried blue crabs for the first time. I'm so happy. I love when people try blue crabs. She said she liked it, but she couldn't eat it all. That's good. Oh, that's so good. Them things look so good too, and I was hungry when she sent that picture. Let me see if I can send it to NENE and insert it. We're gonna insert them pictures. I'm gonna insert them. Aww. Did you get them? Did it look good? I don't know. I'm sorry, Letitia. I hope you didn't mind me inserting it, baby. Boy. This is so good. I needed this. Looks spicy. Gotta clean them shells out, y'all. Make sure you done with it. Like this. Hello. Make sure they hollow every nook and cranny, y'all. Will be explored. Mr. Blue, your cousin, did not die in vain. Oh my God. That's so good. It's so good. Oh, excuse me. So good. Excuse me. That spice spectacular, y'all. You know what I want? After this, I think I want me some crawfish. I want some Orion's crawfish. They were so good. I still ain't off it. I still ain't off it, now. I'm sorry. Look at it. Hold on. I swear my bags are on fleek. And then they said they're not on fleek, but they look like they're on fleek to me. I'm looking at this video afterwards. It could be the lights, but they look like they're on fleek. Anyway, before we get too far gone, let's get into the travel notification shout outs. And this is coming from my sausage. My spicy sausage, rice, cucumbers, and shrimp mukbang. Oh, yeah, that was so good. And travel notification shout outs go to Brandy Alice, Tamika Harris, and Carolyn Brown. Hold on, Keisha Bird. Ooh, excuse me. That was a big one. Thank you so much for being part of the Notification Tribe. I truly appreciate you. Like always, if you'd like to be part of the Notification Tribe, all you have to do is be within the first 3. Hold on, y'all. Why you ain't tell me my cap coming off now? Come on now. I'm looking like a fool out here. Okay. All you gotta do is be within the first 3 to comment on my video, and I will shout you out on the following video. If for some reason I forget to shout you out on that video, I will double up, triple up, quadruple up on the following video I record and shout you out then. Long story short, you will get your shout out, boo. Okay, back to the scrum of the y'all's food. Y'all, it's so good. It's so good. Y'all better get y'all crab stash, y'all. I'm telling you. Save your money. Honey. Ooh, okay. I'll get this to y'all now. Uh-oh. I'm about to commit a cardinal sin up in here. I'll give you that. You got it? Hold on. You want a little something on there? You want me to juice it up a little bit for you? Y'all so spoiled. You got it now. You got it. My turn. Yeah, buddy. Got something in there. Okay. Let's crack open this girl. You see that girl? Come here, girl. Let me stand back before you splash me, you know. You might splash me. Ooh, come on now. There we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Ooh, she coming with the goodness. She got that goodness. She got that good. Yes, she do. Y'all eat from the root to the tutor. I don't be lying. I needed you in my life, I'm telling you. Yeah, buddy. I know some of y'all cringing right now. Like, damn, you messy? Did you skip forward or something? Did you not hear the caution in the beginning of the video? Go back. Go back and watch it. I gave you a warning. It's gonna be some savage eating. It's always savage when it comes to blue crabs. Or seafood in general, y'all. Come on now. Come on now. Don't play with my emotions now. What you got for me? She got good. She do. Okay. I haven't had any of this in a little bit, so I can have all that. It's a shame. It's so good. Come on. Oh, look at that. You see that? That glorious white meat in there. Hold on, let me get this. Let me get her little pre-children out the way. Y'all see all that? Y'all see? That was good. I'm not a picker, y'all. I pick sometimes, but for the most part, I just get in there. Get that meat out. So good. So good. That's good. What's next? Oh, child, I forgot that timestamp. That timestamp for the picture. Oh, now they're gonna get me. I forgot that quick. Excuse me, Keysburg. We're gonna find it. If not, we just gonna cut that part out. Well, if we cut it out, then we found it. Yeah. If it's not there, we couldn't find it, okay? I'm sorry. Well, my bowl filling up. My stomach is too. I gotta skip a little room for that. Cake. This is so good, though. It really is. My bowl. Yeah. Oh, I just had to move it over. Trash bowl filling up over there. I think I want another shrimp. Another shrimp. Mr. Shrimp. He good and he know he good. You gotta suck that head though. Suck that head, suck that head. You got to. Head on shrimp and crawfish. You gotta suck their head. If not, I'll take your heads. I'll suck them for you. Cuzzo AV. Hey guys! Get him. What? Look. She was talking about one time my sister came over and she was doing nothing but sucking heads. I think in my head that would be me. I'm like, you gonna waste that? I'll eat it. Hello, Kiss Bird. Oh, excuse me. Cause your girl don't like the waste. It's good. It's so good. Sin for it to be that good, y'all. It really is. Where you going? Why you all moving and grooving over here? Trying to get away from me. Is that you? You using telepathy over there or something? You trying to save your kid? But you lie. He trying to save his kin. I don't blame him. I would too. He said, did you not see what's going on there as well? Go on, stop. Oh, child, we got left. Thinking about none. I'm full. I got a little space for that cake and I gotta save it, y'all. I don't want to be lying in the bed suffering. Let's try to get cleaned up and presentable for the people. Let me get presentable for the people. Out here talking about me like a dog. I don't care. I'm gonna get presentable for myself. How about that? How about it? Y'all, I'm a mess. And we about to have another glass of that. You're not unboxing. I missed that. In the words of KT, I know you lying. Clean his teeth. All right, guys, we're coming to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me on my Drenched extra spicy blue crab and head-on shrimp mukbang savage style. Like always, if you like what you see, you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe and part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on your post notifications to notify of any and every video they release. Oh, in case your bird coming. Ooh, excuse me. Cake time. Comment below and know that you're there. Share because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or a dislike if it's your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already, check out the Adventure LELE'S got your channel. Her link will be in my description box below. As well as NENE's TikTok and your Don't Stop. Her link will be in my description box below as well. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces. Stay safe, y'all.